Have you ever thought about your sleep quality? Do you want to know how good your sleep was last night? Now VENU2 series can score your sleep through the sleep widget to let you understand your sleep quality. The sleep widget can detect your sleep quality by analyzing the heart rate variability, the respiratory rate, the heart rate, the body movement, the various sleep stages, the total sleep time, the age, the BMI, the body battery, and give your sleep a score. If you wake up before your alarm time, you can stop monitoring by turning off the sleep widget. This can help you get a more accurate sleep data. Enter the widget list, select sleep. Your watch will ask if you want to end the sleep. Select confirm, and your sleep monitoring will stop. Then you can get the score of your sleep. Now let's try this sleep widget on your VENU2 watch.